Hey, third grade. Today is Thursday, December 10th, and we are going to be finishing the rest of our review. So we will be reviewing representing fractions by completing all of the slides and watching all of the videos so I can practice for my unit assessment on Friday. Okay? And then here is the question 1, or this is question 11, but this is the first question of the day. Question 12, 13, 14, and 15. And then I'm going to give you a little brain break. Again, I encourage you to take this, take a break from math, and just get some of your wiggles out. And then the last 5 questions, I will tell you in one of these videos today, I'm not going to tell you which video it is, I have a clue word, and I want you to send me that clue word. But you're going to have to watch all of the videos to figure out which one it is, because I'm not going to tell you where that clue word is. So you're going to watch the videos. Again, I want you to answer your question first and then watch the video and check your answer. That is an expectation. I cannot monitor you guys at home, obviously, but I really encourage you to do that. It's only going to help you. You can get some help on this review if you need to, because tomorrow we're going to be taking our unit assessment over representing fractions. Again, if you have any questions, you need to hop onto office hours or send me an email or a message, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. All right, have fun today, and let me know if you need anything.